Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and this is Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday, yeah. So we're making stuff on Thursday. So, this is the last Thursday of the month. Here is, I can't remember the name of the yarn. I got it sent to me. I can't remember the name of it, but my beautiful friend Karen had sent me this. I guess because she didn't know what to do with it, she didn't like working with it, but it's a linen cotton blend, and I think this one came out best. Still not big enough for my enormous head. Fits Captain Amazing, so, but I'm going to try to sell it anyway. I think it will make it really cute. I think somebody will buy it because it held its shape a little better with this yarn. Kids are usually the ones that want the hat, so the fact it came out like kid size is great. I don't necessarily like the color because I don't wear white or cream or nothing like that because I always get it dirty, but that was the color I had. Well, that I grabbed, I should say, because I've got different colors, but I may make some more out of this kind of yarn. I do have a little bit more, I believe, so, because I've used some for other stuff. So yeah, there's the bucket hat. I will link the pattern down below, so if you still want to make this, you can. And I will put pictures at the end of this of Karen's bucket hats, and Wendy, my friend Wendy, made a bucket hat, my very good friend Wendy. And so she was actually at the hospital when she made it, and so I've got a picture of her. She said I could post it, of her in her bucket hat at the hospital. Keep her in your thoughts. But yeah, so I'm happy with this one right here. This one came out exactly how I think it was supposed to, except for I needed it bigger if I was going to wear it, or a regular adult head was going to wear it. But like I said, I'm probably selling this one at the craft fair, and usually it's kids that want hats, and so worked out perfect. And I think it would be cute for a little kid, and it wouldn't be hot because it's like white, you know, light colors, so reflect the sun. Yeah, I'm keeping my red one. In fact, I'm probably going to wear it soon. Now our new pattern for Things We're Making Thursday is from Yarnspirations, and it's the Lacy Crochet Shawl. Can I see it real good?
Oh yeah.
So I'm attempting to make this, but here's my problem, y'all. I can't get the pattern to work. And then I tried to work on something else thinking I'll just go back to it. Well, first, I couldn't get it to turn out, and I messaged Darla Antonio. I'll link her down below since I mentioned her. I messaged her. She told me what she thought what she was doing wrong when she did hers. So I went back, and I thought, okay, fresh eyes today, because that was yesterday. I'll try it again, because that's usually what I do. I set it down, because then I'm frustrated, and I'll come back the next day. Well, I came back today, and it worked out different than it did yesterday, but still didn't work out right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. And then I tried to make, I started a crocheted shark, and that wasn't turning out right. So have y'all ever had days where like your brain is just not interpreting patterns well? I will give this one more try tomorrow, okay? And then if not, I will find something else to make, or I'll just skip Things We're Making Thursday this month. I don't know which. Will you hand me that yarn, babe?
This one?
If I make the shawl, this is what yarn. This was from Bella, from Bella's Crochet Gift sent me. By the way, thank you, Bella. I absolutely love this yarn. I will link her down below. It is Big Twist, 100% acrylic, Big Twist value, 269 yards, 246 meters, size 8 knitting needles, and size 5mm hook. And one of these makes a hat, 3 of them makes a scarf, and 6 makes an adult sweater. And I have 4 of them. If it comes out right, I should have enough of this to make the shawl, because it needs about 1,000 yards. Let me see. So you need 4 balls of 252 yards. And this one is, I said 269. So I'm kind of bigger, so if it ends up being too, not make me feel right, make me feel like I got tiny good on, I will gift it or donate it to someone. But I'm excited to use these colors. Oh, and what's the color? Rainbow Bright. And I must agree, that is so very rainbow bright. I'm loving it. So this is what I'll use if I make this shawl. I'm gonna visit it either this evening or tomorrow because I'm really frustrated with myself. I'm about to do a mindless something. You know, mindless is in I don't have to think about it much kind of thing. Yeah, I'm about to do that, I think, because for whatever reason, I don't know if it's just the morning and it's the brain fog from my fibro. I don't know what's going on, but something in my brain is not interpreting stuff right. So this is the last week for the hats. Well, for last day. If you've made any hats, though, and you haven't sent them to me, send them to me. I'll put them in my next video. Or if you decide to make this shawl, let me know, and I would love to see pictures of it. I love the way it looks. I can't get it to work right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm so confused with this. So yeah, I'm sad. I want to make this shawl. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I kind of wish I had a Caron cake or something because that would work out very beautiful, but I think it would be very pretty in this yarn also. So yeah, it's one of those days where nothing seems to be working out. Maybe I need to go back to sleep and start all over again. Who knows? I will link this pattern down below along with the hat pattern. I love you guys, and I will be back later with the 100 Days of Halloween.